Hi everyone, Richard here. So now I'm at Richart. I'm heading to this shop, DJI shop, and here to pick up a very special thing. So I guess maybe you know what it is. Okay, so I'm here to pick up the new thing from DJI. Okay. So I'm here to pick up the new Mavic 3. As you can see, there's a demo and this is our price. Okay, so if you guys are complaining that it's expensive, look at our price, our local price. This is a 10K drone. So it costs 10K, our price. So can you imagine if it's 10K in your country? That's how much basically it costs. So I'm here to pick this up, and this is a beautiful drone. That's the size compared to the Air 2S, and this is the Air 2S pricing here. So that is the local price if you're looking at that. It's not to everyone. So technically you need to sell a couple of kidneys to get this, but maybe the little kidney will do that. So most people will be going for this. This will be if you're in business use. You may want to use this for your projects or property or business. So it's better, more advised to get this because of the four-third sensor. Is just like using a Panasonic GH5 or G9 going up for video and photography. So basically you're having a four-third sensor inside there, which is why makes this drone very appealing. So we'll pick this up and then head back and just do a first flight on this. Hi everyone, Richard here. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to fly off the Mavic 3 and get some shots. It's gonna be my first run, so I'm gonna shoot at 4K 60, and everything is at auto, but it's at 4K 60. So we'll try to record and then we'll see if we can take off here. Auto takeoff. There you go. So that's how it looks like. Currently it's looking at me, and let's bring it up. Slowly. And that's how it looks like. Bring the camera down. Hi everyone, Richard here. So this is the Mavic 3. Looking at it as its first flight. Go test it out and have some fun with it and see what it can do. It's quite quiet, it's not that loud, so we'll play around with that. Oh, it's very jittery because I'm gonna switch this to cine mode to reduce the jitteriness. It's really jittery, and that's how it looks like. It's up there floating and taking picture of me, and so I'm gonna take some video and slow shot of this. That's how it looks like. Okay, so let's do some low flight and see how it goes first. So it's very jittery. The minute you let go you see, when you let go the joystick, you see it jitters up. So it's really powerful. I'm on cine mode. So cine mode is supposed to be smooth, but it's so jittery, you know. So I think that's why most guys will get wow, you can focus on my face. Okay, so most of you guys will get shocked by this. See, it jitters really, so it's really hard. So you see it jitters, and then so it's really hard. And this is cine mode, can you imagine that? So let's switch it to optical avoidance. Okay, there's a bee trying to land on my controller. Look at that. Okay, I have a bee landing on my controller. So okay, I'm in trouble because the bee seems to be, I think the buzzing sound brought the bee, not mistaken. So let's bring it down first for landing, just to be safe. Okay, so the bee came over. So my Action 2 overheated again. So it's so hot I can't touch it. Ouch, ouch, ouch. So it's overheated again. So oh, the bee is here again. It's like I'm getting stung by the bee. What the hell? Look at that, the bee is there. Oh my god. The bee is all over me. Okay, this is funny because there's a bee right after me. It's like a tiny little bee. It's like so I got chased by a bee, right? I'm not sure you guys saw that. Anyway, the Action 2 is a failure. Again, it's overheated, and this is a replacement Action 2. This is the second one. They gave me a replacement for that, so I can't use the Action 2 for any vlogging, any sensing. It's overheated. It's on the screen. It says overheated. I can't use it. Look at that. It's overheated temperature. So let's close it down and shut it off. So I'm not going to use that because it's practically not doing its job. On a body cam, come on, seriously. So I'm going to continue recording the Mavic 3, and I'll fly it around and get some footage from there. So I'm running this on cine mode, and because I want it to be slow, and my optical avoidance is set to stop at the moment, so we'll just see how it goes. So look at that, it just tilts, stops quite abruptly. So it's too sensitive. You look at that. So the pitch is too much. Look at that. And this is on cine mode, right? So it does pitch too much. Look at that. So it's a bit too sensitive. So bring it up above the trees, and then you'll just fly it around. Oh, that's train. There it goes. So I'm on cine mode because I'm just getting used to this drone, so I'm not going to fly it fast. That's how it looks like. So I may need to reduce the sensitivity in order to get the foot speed slower. So it's really fast. So that's nice photo here. Let's see if I can get some shots of that. And then let's move forward. So I'm not going to test any obstacle avoidance here. So I don't want to do that now, because I need to get used to the drone. Gonna go up higher. You know, turn it around and come it back down. Photos. Let's take photo of this. So let's come back again, start recording, and then head back home. So we'll just do a return to home and see how it goes. Hopefully it just doesn't veer off to somewhere else. Yeah, it's coming back the right direction. And that's how it's going to be. There's it coming down and pointing in the right direction. It's going to land on my, holy crap, it's going to land on my camera. Well, let's move it to the side. And that's it. So we're going to have a first run there. This is a first try. So I'll give you my thoughts on it. So here's my thoughts on this Mavic 3. It's really a beast. It's hefty. It's about 900 plus grams. It's almost 1 kilo. And compared to, look at the Mini 2, the size. This is really like 250. And that's the size you have looking at it. It's like a baby on top there. Right? You probably can take this Mini on top and fly as well. And that's the size difference. Wingspan is huge. This is huge. And it's so powerful, it pitches and stops that fast. You might be caught off guard because I was using it in cine mode and it's still so fast, the reaction. I didn't even use it in normal mode. So I'm just testing out with the first flight. So I'll do more flights with this and try to get used to this drone. The Mavic 3 is an amazing unit, and I'm trying to get more photography works out of it because it's carrying a 4/3 sensor, which basically is equal to me taking a G9 up to the sky and take photograph. So Panasonic G9, that means if you talk about video, it's Panasonic GH5 level, and we're talking about 120 frames per second. I haven't tried it out yet. I just shot 460 on auto just now, and this is beautiful design. But I already saw a few comments in the forums on some of the problems that they may occur, which I'll show you in another video. Some of the design issues that this Mavic 3 has, and they probably know about it. That's why they have taken some precaution on that. But then again, the users don't know, and they will have complaints on this. So definitely not a perfect product. It's really pricey. If you saw the price tag for our country, it's really pricey. It's really way out. But if you're a business owner, if you're gonna take property, landscape, and you really can monetize from the unit, then by all means it's a great product. But if you're a casual flyer, I would think maybe you go for the lower range. But if you're really a wealthy casual flyer, you probably can get one and fly around. But I'll use this for photography and then I'll do some aerial shots and some properties as well. So hopefully you'll see. So do give me a thumbs up if you like the video. I'll do more comparison and more shots from this. Hopefully I can get out of the city and get to a wide area where I can really use this without crashing it, because I crash all my drones. So get out of the city, go to the beach, and fly around with this more. It's not so advisable to fly around in the city. It can take it. It can take the wind. But I want to learn how to use this faster, so it's better to use it at the beach or at the wide open place. So hopefully I can get out of the city and make full use of this, and learn how good the camera is and things like that before I use it for any property shots. So I'll see you guys. Have a nice day. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends, and see you on the next video. Bye.